While the arguments regarding the birthplace of barbecue between Italians, French, and Americans continue, Sweden brings something new to the table. The country is embracing the solar power trend that is shown by a significant jump in solar power use last year. Bringing back to the topic of barbecue, some passionate barbecue lovers have designed a solar-powered barbecue system that features 48 meticulously arranged glass mirrors. Determining the perfect positioning can be a bit challenging, but the outcome is always a well-cooked dish, as the barbecue can reach a whopping 710 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're in the mood for barbecue, it's now down to just hoping for sunny days. Let's say that you've been a Nerf fan since you were a kid, but you never reached peak satisfaction in their guns. Fast forward, you're an adult now, and that thing about never reaching satisfaction in Nerf guns still bothers you. This is exactly what happened to this YouTuber named Gatling Tommy, who took matters into his own hands. His innovative leanings have led him to invent a foam bullet machine gun. This imposing device fires a staggering 50 darts per second, which boasts an impressive maximum capacity of 430 darts. With this gun, the strategy is simple. Rain the opponents with a storm of darts and quickly find cover, all within 9 mere seconds. However, Gatling Tommy confesses that the major hurdle is the excessive reloading time. It necessitates that every bullet be loaded into a cartridge fashioned into a ribbon and then stored in a specific box, which is a major con. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Steampunk Patrick, that's who. This suddenly puts a lot of things into perspective, such as why Patrick sometimes displays exceptional strength in certain episodes, why his eyes occasionally shift colors, and why his head releases smoke when exerting mentally. To craft this magnificent piece, the creator utilized parts obtainable from Taobao and UV resin. The UV resin allowed the creator to apply quickly hardening thin layers, which resulted in a remarkable finalized product. It would be splendid if the creator could orchestrate a full exhibit devoted to the residents of Bikini Bottom, complemented by the legendary Terminator soundtrack. Becoming invisible seemed more straightforward than the dark methods that author H.G. Wells had envisioned. All that was needed was a substantial curved sheet of plexiglass and a wavy, dull film. A group of inventive individuals in the United States embarked on this project after discovering from a YouTube video that human sight can be easily deceived. Within a few weeks, they had produced their very own invisibility shield. The most time-consuming aspect of the process was the meticulous shaping of the plexiglass, which involved heating it with hot air guns and then molding it. The final product was a shield slightly taller than a meter, with a handle equipped at the back. Now, the creators need to decide what to do next with their breakthrough. They could potentially profit from it by selling the patent to law enforcement or military institutions. An imaginative DIY-er from Japan has impressively created a stunning replica of a Cyberpunk 2077 katana that is sure to captivate any Comic-Con fans. The centerpiece of the sword is its radiant blade formed by merging an orange plastic part and an LED strip. The beautifully detailed handle is secured with a series of bolts. Hidden beneath robust body plates, you'll find the colorful wires and dual battery packs that power the LED strip. Even more remarkable is the ring of light bulbs, which casts an enchanting alternating red and green glow over the whole setup. Undoubtedly, this creative individual will proudly display this spectacular accessory at every related event, eager to garner enough praise that could justify the effort invested in crafting the sword. It's time to add some heat to the display, as we showcase the work of an ingenious pyromaniac and their homemade flamethrower. This second version is larger than its predecessor and took nearly 200 hours to complete. This includes the filming and editing processes also. The $500 price tag hopefully didn't put too much pressure on the creator's finances, and we trust that those operating the flamethrower did so with caution. With some fine-tuning, these DIY contraptions can achieve a range of up to 10 meters. The inventor is always looking for ways to improve, and also welcomes advice on potential upgrades. If you got one, make sure to run it by him. While exploring the realm of miniature weaponry, an inventor unknowingly struck a chord with a tiny wrist-mounted crossbow. Originally created just for the sheer joy of invention, the surprising outcome had to be shared with the world. Compact yet capable, this tiny armament comes with a magazine that can house 5 darts for quick-fire action. It's a great tool for honing your aim indoors, thanks to its limited strength, thus ensuring safety. One can either use pointed pen refills for some light target practice, or switch to 3D printed projectiles for a harm-free experience. A genius idea was also suggested by those in the comments. It said that coupling this crossbow with Nerf darts would be a surefire hit in the market. Those eager to DIY can snag the 3D printing blueprints from Thingiverse and bring this nifty gadget to life. Well, that's going to be it for today. If you find this video entertaining, then drop a like and do subscribe for more similar content like this.